Are you looking for the top 5 best box cutters worth having? I bought and tested these box cutters, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who's always on the go and frequently unboxing packages, I know the importance of having a reliable tool. Let's dive into the top 5 box cutters that I believe are truly worth your time and investment. Product number 1, WorkPro Premium Utility Knife. My first experience with the WorkPro Premium Utility Knife was nothing short of impressive. The moment I picked it up, I felt the weight of quality in my hands. Made from a combination of durable metal and heavy-duty plastic, its aluminum alloy design not only made it lightweight, just 3.21 ounces, but also incredibly robust. I decided to put it through its paces, cutting through various materials like cardboard, plastic packaging, and even some tough straps. The SK5 razor blades, treated at high temperatures, delivered clean and precise cuts every time. I remember the first time I sliced through a thick cardboard box. The blade glided effortlessly, leaving no frayed edges behind. It's equipped with a retractable feature which I found exceptionally handy. I could easily adjust the blade to 3 different positions, allowing for general cutting or precise slicing as needed. Plus, when I was done, I could retract the blade safely inside the metal frame. No more worrying about accidental cuts when reaching into my toolbox. However, the quick change mechanism stole the show for me. With just a simple push of a button, I could replace the blade in seconds, and this set came with 10 extra double-use blades, which means I won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ergonomic design fits snugly in my hand, making it comfortable for extended use. The materials are environmentally friendly, which is a huge plus for conscious consumers. On the downside, some might find it slightly heavier than the typical plastic options, but for me, that weight translates to durability. Why should you buy the WorkPro Premium Utility Knife? Product number 2, M-Meepo Box Cutter 4-Pack. When I first unboxed the M-Meepo Box Cutter set, I was pleasantly surprised by the vibrant colors: orange, blue, yellow, and green. It felt almost like a toolbox designed for fun rather than just utility. Each cutter is not just aesthetically pleasing, but is also robust, crafted from a blend of plastic and zinc alloy shell. Weighing in at 11.3 ounces, it felt solid in my hands. I decided to put these to the test on tougher materials: drywall, sheet plastic, and even roofing shingles. The heat-treated steel blades were incredibly sharp, and I found that I didn't have to change them as frequently as I expected. Their longevity was evident after several uses, which made this set a great value. One of the standout features for me was the ergonomic handle. It provided a comfortable grip, ensuring that the cutter wouldn't slip from my hands, even when I was applying some pressure. The easy blade change design was a game changer. I didn't need a screwdriver or any extra tools to swap out the blades, which is often the case with other box cutters. However, while the lightweight nature made them easy to handle, some might find them lacking the heft they prefer in a utility knife. So what are the pros and cons? The pros include a versatile set of 4, making it easy to share or have one handy in multiple locations. The cons, they might feel a bit flimsy compared to heavier options, but they perform just as well. Why should you buy the M-Meepo box cutter set? If you're someone who values versatility and ease of use, then this is a solid choice. It's an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Product number 3, Internet's Best Premium Utility Knife Set. The moment I held the Internet's Best Premium Utility Knife Set, I was struck by its solid construction. The metal body combined with a rubber handle offered a mix of durability and comfort that I found appealing. I put this pair of knives to the test on various materials, from cardboard to carpet, and I was impressed by how easily they sliced through everything. The retractable blade feature was incredibly convenient. I could adjust the blade length with just a flick of my thumb, which was perfect for those different cutting tasks. What I really appreciated was the quick change mechanism. Swapping blades took mere seconds. Just extend the blade, press the red button, and voila. The set came with 2 knives and 5 extra blades, ensuring I wouldn't run out anytime soon. As for the pros, I love the comfort of the rubber grip. It made extended cutting tasks far more manageable. Plus, the extra blades included in the package ensure you're always prepared. On the con side, the knives felt a bit bulky for intricate tasks, but they excel in general utility. Why should you consider the Internet's Best Premium Utility Knife Set? If you want reliability and versatility in a box cutter, this set is a fantastic investment.
It's perfect for both everyday tasks and heavy-duty jobs, making it
Product number 4, Slice Mini Box Cutter. The Slice Mini Box Cutter surprised me right from the start. Its compact size, measuring just 2.19 inches, made it feel like the ultimate on-the-go tool. I loved how lightweight it was. At only 0.35 ounces, it slipped right into my pocket. But what truly sets this cutter apart is its ceramic blade, which is not only incredibly sharp, but also designed to last 11 times longer than traditional metal blades. I tested it on various packages, and the blade's unique design kept my fingers safe, allowing me to open boxes and packages without the fear of cuts. The finger-friendly edge is a brilliant feature, making it suitable for anyone, regardless of cutting experience. Plus, the reinforced handle felt sturdy despite its small size, which is often a concern with compact tools. The built-in magnet was a fun bonus, allowing me to stick it on my fridge for easy access. Pros: the blade's longevity and safety features are outstanding. It's versatile enough for cutting food packaging and clamshells, which I found particularly useful. On the downside, while its size is great for portability, it might not be suitable for larger cutting tasks. So, why buy the Slice Mini Box Cutter? If you require a reliable, safe, and portable cutting tool that you can easily take. Product number 5, Votrek 2-in-1 Retractable Box Cutter. The Votrek 2-in-1 retractable box cutter immediately caught my attention with its sleek black and orange design. This utility knife combines 2 modes, which is incredibly practical: a retractable mode for general cutting and a safety lock mode for precision tasks. I found the anti-slip ergonomic grip to be a game changer during extended use. It allowed me to make quick, accurate cuts without straining my hand. The heat-treated high-carbon steel blades were impressively sharp, and the quick change mechanism made replacing them a breeze. I loved how the design included a compartment for storing extra blades, which meant I didn't have to dig around for replacements mid-task. On the pro side, the versatility of the 2 modes was fantastic for my various cutting needs, from cardboard to drywall. The lightweight structure made it easy to handle, counterbalancing its sturdiness. However, some may find the design a bit bulkier compared to traditional single-mode cutters, which could be a slight downside for those seeking ultra portability. Why should you consider the Votrek 2-in-1 box cutter? If you're looking for a tool that seamlessly blends safety and efficiency, this utility knife is an excellent choice. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. In conclusion, whether you're a professional or just someone who frequently unboxes packages, having the right box cutter can make all the difference. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, catering to various needs and preferences. So take your pick and invest in a tool that can simplify your tasks.